Hey guys, it's me, 123 Beyblade, and welcome back to a Beyblade battle. This time we have a Legends Beyblade battle between Lightning L-drago 100 whole flat and Rock Leone 145 wide balls. So let's get this battle started. Go shoot! Go shoot! Okay, that was very bad. So it's 1-0 for Lightning. Okay, draw. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh! I thought that was a knockout there, but Lightning L-drago managed to stay in the stadium and knocked out. Alright, so it's 2-0. What was that? I don't even know. Go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, Leone knockout, so it's 2-1. Go shoot. Go shoot. Whoa! Okay, that was awesome. So, that was definitely Lightning L-drago's win, so it's 3-1. Alright, not anymore, it's 4-1. Go shoot. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, we shall see if Lightning L-drago will beat Leone. Late knockout? Maybe? Maybe not? Who knows? Could still happen. Potentially. This is the annoying part, the left spin, right spin battle. Spin equalizing for the win! Alright, Rock Leone manages to win, so it is 4-2 for Lightning L-drago. Oh, nice draw there. Go shoot. Go shoot. What? Okay. Leone is 4-3 now. Go shoot. Oh, nice. He's close. It's a very close battle. Go shoot. Oh, unfortunately, there was a mosquito and I just killed it in midair. So, Lightning L-drago is our winner of this battle. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next battle video. Make sure you like, favorite, subscribe, do all that great stuff. And see you later.